Valencia, baba. Sam.
As आम्ही कोलवा सर्कल basically to protest against the hate speech done by an individual. Now I am not come as a Christian, but I am come as a Goan. As म्हाका उगडास येता की मनोहर पर्रीकरान श्री राम सेना 2014 प्रमोद मुतालिक बॅन केल्लो गोंयांत येवपाक. कित्याक? Because she was promoting hate speech. So I think it's very important, irrespective of whichever religion the person comes from. Anybody who makes hate speech should be in fact deported from Goa. तडीपार करपाचो. कित्याक Goa is a very peaceful state. Goa is a touristic state. We have seen in Goa where every religion has been respected by all diverse culture. For example, if you go to old Goa, we have seen all Christian Hindus go. Jatra जाल्यार jatra सगळे जाण वयता. So we have no differences. These people who are trying to put differences in between us. म्हाका दिसता असल्या लोकांक आमी तडीपार करपा जाय आनी गोंयचे सुसेग गोंयचे आख्खे वर्ल्डाक पळय फेमस आसा that brand should not get damaged. We have seen in Sri Lanka a small bomb blast which took place in a church devastated the entire tourism in Sri Lanka. This should not be the case in Goa. We have multiple other issues. We have seen how hills have been encroached, fields are encroached, no development, slopes have been destroyed. So all these things are issues which has to be fought for, and this diversified culture आमचे हा गोंयचे हे राखपाचें काम म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या सरकाराचें आसा.